Current agriculture faces a multitude of problems. These problems are significant, impacting our environment, health, and food security. Let me visualize them for you, taking a simple tomato as an example. Imagine the middle of the winter. You're eating a beautiful, full of taste tomato brought to you straight from Almire's heated plastic greenhouses. Juice is flowing down your chin. Did you know, however, that these tomatoes, when found in Northern European supermarkets, carry a substantial fossil fuel burden reaching up to 650 milliliters per kilogram? It's worth noting that transportation costs make up only a fraction of this burden. The overall cost of cultivating tomatoes in heated greenhouses, including plastic production, fertilizers, and pesticides, amounts to 500 milliliters of diesel fuel per kilogram of tomato. We all know the direct consequences of this, like environmental pollution, groundwater eutrophication, the negative impact of pesticide application on human health, and loss of biodiversity. Additionally, there is a 10% food waste factor. To address these serious issues, ambitious Farm to Fork initiative of the European Commission is specifically designed to protect and restore biodiversity while promoting sustainable agriculture. It creates opportunities for industries focusing on alternatives to chemical pesticides and synthetic fertilizers, namely biostimulants and biological control. Biostimulants have been recognized recently by the European Union as an independent product functional category. Contrary to the classical fertilizers, biostimulants are defined as substances or microorganisms that, when applied to seeds, plants, or on the rhizosphere, stimulate natural processes to enhance or benefit nutrient uptake, nutrient use efficiency, tolerance to abiotic stress, or crop quality and yield, rather than directly providing nutrients to the plant. Biocontrol is a broad concept that covers the use of plant extracts, microorganisms, natural enemies, and semiochemicals to suppress plant disease or pests. The current challenge exists in developing methods to evaluate the new bioproducts comprehensively. For instance, acute toxicity tests may not apply to modern pest control products, and testing biostimulants may be challenging by looking at isolated plant phenotypic traits. Enters Cropfit Services. Cropfit Services is Ghent University core facility created under the umbrella of the Business Development Center, Cropfit. At Cropfit Services, our mission is to foster the development of sustainable crop protection products, fertilizers, and biostimulants for both academic and industrial partners. We achieve this by offering a diverse range of cutting-edge plant bioassays. Cropfit Services brings together 6 Ghent University research groups with expertise in biostimulants, insecticides, nematicides, antimicrobials, and herbicides testing. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure supports experiments of all scales, from small-scale setups to large field trials conducted under real-world conditions. Our team of experts excels in experimental design, data collection, analysis, management, and visualization. We handle every facet of product evaluation, ensuring a robust data portfolio to facilitate successful product registration.
Nowadays, you can be the best scientist in the world, but you won't move forward if you don't have access to enabling technology. On the other hand, having the most cutting-edge equipment is useless if you don't have expertise in running them. Core facilities are the answer to these issues, facilitating internal academic and external industrial collaboration, speeding up knowledge transfer while simultaneously providing income to the university. I am Kris Audenaert, head of the Laboratory of Applied Mycology and Phenomics and the Scientific Director of Cropfit Services. Our lab is part of the Department of Plants and Crops of the Faculty of Bioscience Engineering of Ghent University. We investigate how plants interact with their biotic and abiotic environment. As part of Cropfit Services, our lab performs state-of-the-art phenotyping using multi- and hyperspectral imaging, which combines automated high-resolution spectral imaging with customized data gathering. These are used to identify biochemically relevant measurements from spectral images of plants under abiotic or biotic stress. This allows us to reach beyond the mere visualization of phenomena and obtain quantitative data or insight into the mode of action of biocontrol and biostimulant products. Through a large interdisciplinary network at Ghent University, numerous plant pathogen model systems are studied. Thanks to the automated sensor-to-plant concept, the dynamic interaction of plants with pathogens and the impact of biocontrol measures hereon can be visualized throughout the plant in time-lapse experiments. We combine hyperspectral phenomics with genome editing techniques, allowing us to modify or tag plant pathogens and beneficial microbes. This enables us to investigate plant microbe interactions in situ. Also, in the emerging field of biostimulants, we are at the forefront of current knowledge. Our screening platforms enable our partners to screen in high throughput new bioactive molecules or new agrochemicals with biostimulatory effects using relevant model systems and abiotic traits such as drought, salinity, or nutrient stress. We have experience working with all company sizes, from family businesses to multinational corporations, helping them to identify their product's mode of action and support their claim before the product can be placed on the market. Cropfit Services comprise a team of researchers with expertise in image processing who can develop customer-tailored software to visualize or quantify specific traits. In this way, Cropfit Services provides scientifically sound insight into the physiology of plants and their continuously changing agro-ecosystem. The Cropfit Service Core facility will leverage the safeguarding and improvement of globally relevant, agronomically beneficial traits in our crops. If you're looking to make a positive impact on agriculture, the environment, and food security, partner with Cropfit Services. Together, we can grow a more sustainable and prosperous future.